Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply different filter to images using CIFIlter in native macOS application. So firstly I want to show you one image. So this is the original image. I hope it is visible to you. So this is the original image this is the original image and I want to apply different filter to the image. So firstly I'll show you the outputs of different filter which I am applying. So first one is the sepia tone. So this is how the output looks like. So I'll firstly show you guys the output and later on explain you the code. So the output showing might be little bit long because there are different filters, so feel free to fast forward or increase the speed of this video. So this is for false color, then bokeh blur, then bump distortion, then circular screen, then circular wrap, then CMYK halftone, then color invert, then color monochrome, then color posterize, then comic effect, then crystallize, then depth of field, then disk blur, then Gaussian blur, then hatched screen, then hide field from mask, then hexagonal pixelate, then hole distortion, then kaleidoscope, then linear to sRGB tone curve, then line overlay, then line screen, then maximum component, then minimum component, morphology gradient, then motion blur, then 9 part stretched, then 9 part tiled, then perspective transform, then perspective transform with extent, then photo effect chrome, then photo effect fade, then photo effect instant, then photo effect mono, then photo effect noir, photo effect process, photo effect tonal, photo effect transfer, pinch distortion, then pixelate, then pointillize, then spotlight, then stretch crop, then thermal, then twirl distortion, then vignette effect, then X-ray, and then zoom blur. So yeah, these were all the effects. Now let's see how to achieve them. So here I have created a native iOS application using AppKit, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well. First important thing is you will have to import this core image CIFIlter built-in. Then I have just created one NS image view and I'm loading an image. So my image name is called lake, as you can see inside assets, but here you can change it to your own image. And then once we get the original image, we have to get the TIFF representation, and from that TIFF data we will convert it to a CI image. Then you can select whatever filter you prefer. So there are a lot of filters. Then here as you know, this is the zoom blur. Okay, then from filter we get the output image, we create a CI context, and with that we create a CG image. So we pass our output CI image and then we get the CG image. So to convert it to a normal image, again we make use of NS image, pass our CI image, pass the width and height, and we just assign it to our image view. And then image view scaling, I have scaled it to scale proportionally up or down. Then I have just added our image view to our view, translate auto resizing mask false, and here I have just applied some NS layout constraints. Now these are all the filters which you will have to add. I won't explain each and every one because even I have copy pasted the code from documentation. So I'll simply scroll through this. You can pause the video wherever you feel like and copy the code. I'll just close this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.